Michael Jackson's Dr. Conrad Murray sentenced to 4 years in prison. Michael Jackson's Dr. Conrad Murray was sentenced to 4 years in prison today and denied probation for involuntary manslaughter in the singer's death. Judge Michael Pastor called Murray's treatment of Jackson a cycle of horrible medicine and medicine madness. Jackson's parents and siblings Jermaine, LaToya and Randy were present at today's sentencing, but did not speak, instead allowing family friend and attorney Brian Panish to read a statement on behalf of the Jacksons' 3 children and family. In the statement, Michael Jackson's children told the Los Angeles court that they lost their father, best friend, and playmate when the singer died, but stressed they were not seeking revenge. Conrad Murray, 58, stood stone-faced as Los Angeles Superior Court Judge Michael Pastor declared him an unfit candidate for probation and pronounced the sentence for involuntary manslaughter in Jackson's 2009 death, citing Murray's involvement in what the judge called a cycle of horrible medicine. "He has absolutely no sense of remorse," the judge said. "Murray is and remains dangerous. I think Dr. Murray is so reckless that I believe he's a danger to the community." Pastor said the court will order Dr. Murray to pay restitution to Jackson's estate and children in an amount to be determined at a later restitution hearing when they can get more detailed information. Pastor also ordered $800 in restitution to the court, a $30 court security fee, and a $40 criminal conviction assessment. "We know that Michael Jackson, as a direct result of the actions of Dr. Murray, died on June 25, 2009, leaving his 3 children without their father," Los Angeles Deputy District Attorney David Walgren said during the proceedings. "It is the people's opinion that prison is warranted."